Yeezy 450 in the black colorway. Honestly, I want to say that the Yeezy 450 is a favorite of mine, silhouette wise. I think the silhouette is just something super different. It's turned heads a lot of times when I wear my 450s. I get compliments from everybody, young and old. Yeezy did something really different with this silhouette, and yeah, I mean, I'd say that resale value isn't too crazy. So they're also pretty accessible in terms of the price point. These retailed, I think, for about $200. Some of the colorways even go under retail. I think this is one of them that at least when I got them were selling, some above retail, others under. So this is the Yeezy 450, first review on the channel. I want to say that the colorway is really clean. I think I tend to be sort of shy about getting all black colorways in most sneakers in general, but I think this is probably the best looking all black colorway I've seen from Yeezy. The slate, you know, our black colorway, not too bad. I guess it was like utility black, but these just look really nice. As you can see, the sort of skull looking, sort of T-Rex shaped silhouette here. The colors are quite similar, but there's, you know, obviously a prime knit material for the upper. You know, the OG colorway looks like dumplings, but these really kind of have a prehistoric appeal to them. I would definitely recommend going at least a half size up, because these sneakers do run tight, so you definitely want to go at least a half size up. I honestly wouldn't have been mad if I'd gone a full size up. This is the original tag that was on the sneaker, and then it was one of those new materials, new sneakers, where it also shows that it was made with recycled materials. I guess that was part of 2022 expectation. It says, the materials we use, the ways we make, we're innovating to help protect our future. This is just the beginning. End plastic waste. Yeah, that's part of the End Plastic Waste campaign that Adidas has been kind of doing, I think, since 2022. One thing I have to say about these that is a real loss is that they are not Boost sneakers, so they don't have Boost. Instead, we've got a really cozy prime knit that's kind of similar to the Yeezy 350 V1s in terms of the coziness on the upper. But they do not support Boost. They do not have Boost cushioning. What they do have is an Ortholite insole, which, you know, you guys decide for yourselves if that really does anything for the comfort. I'm sure it's better than most insoles, but in my opinion, sometimes just a regular insole. I'd imagine there might be some type of adiprene technology, but to my knowledge, there isn't really anything special giving any support or cushioning to this sneaker. Kind of like a missed opportunity in terms of featuring some new, or at least just some supportive technology to make the sneaker more comfortable. I personally think that if you're looking for an all black sneaker, this is a really solid sneaker to go with, especially given that, you know, it's going to be harder to see scuffs when they go through wear and tear. It's honestly just going to be a nice silhouette, because even if you're not a huge fan of black sneakers, the shape of the shoe really goes nuts, and they really look pretty cool on feet. So, but yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Are these worth copping? Are these drip or skip? Are these? Please let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Peace.